Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 11. Its title is Scientists. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Reading and Critical Thinking Skill, we are going to learn to pronounce and match spoken words with written words. Before this, in your Unit 4, we have learned names of days of the week and names of months by sight reading strategies. I hope you remember, so this is going to help us today. And we have also learned in Unit 1 how to match naming words with picture. Remember? So this is also going to help us. If you don't remember, you may watch this video lecture again, because this skill will help us to learn to pronounce and match spoken words with the written words. This is our today's SLA. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Ikhlas, verse 1 till 4. Say, He is Allah, the one, Allah the self-sufficient, He begets not, nor He begotten, and no one is equivalent with Him. Yes, my dear students, beta, I hope all of you have memorized this beautiful surah, Surah Ikhlas. Alhamdulillah, you know how to recite it. And this surah, what does it tell? It tells us about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a short introduction of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the first verse is, He is Allah the one. Only there is one Allah. And we believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we try to follow all the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Now, my dear children, the way we say Allah, we can find out where it's written. That's here. It means the words we say, the words we pronounce, we can find out where it's written. This is what we are going to learn today. And before that, you tell me, how do you match a word with its picture? We have done this activity many times. So how do you find out? How do you match a word with a picture? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what is the technique? What do? You look at the picture, you say its name, and then you match it where it's written. This is how we do it. Now, what is this? It's an apple, right? Now, where it's written, that's here, apple. This is how we match name with picture. This is how we match any word with the picture, which relates with the picture. So we say it, apple, and we find it where it's written. That's written here, and we match it, apple. Right? Banana, where it's written, that's here, banana. We say it and then we match it, right? What is this? Mango, where it's written, not this, now this is mango, and we match it. We pronounce the word, we say, look at the picture, we pronounce the word, and then we match it with the written one, mango. That's written here, mango. First we say it, then we match it, okay? Then we find it where it's written, okay? Grapes, where it's written? That's here, grapes. Orange, right? So this is how, beta, we can pronounce and find out the word where it's written, right? Okay, so let's practice this through a beautiful activity. What we are going to do, your teacher will divide class in pairs, right? One student will say a word and other will locate that word in the text and vice versa, okay? You may take the text of this unit or any of the book, whatever your teacher gives to you. One of you will say a word and other will find out where that word is written in this text. It's very interesting activity, and teacher makes children to enjoy it, do it for the maximum time that they find out how to locate words. What is said, how to find it in written text. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. This is very interesting activity, right? So now let's practice this in your book. All of you open your book on page number 97. These are the pictures of different professionals, people who are related with different professions. So you will look at the picture. Who is he? He is a baker, right? So you have to select the right option. Where baker is written, that's here. So you will tick it, baker. Likewise, you will keep looking at the picture and find the correct word for that. So pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will discuss with your parents and learn about different professions at home. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned? We learned how to pronounce words and then match these words with the written words. So we achieved our SLO to pronounce and match spoken words with written words. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.